Welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then we are going to start a video. Please watch the full video. Do not skip. Open the pixel lab. Select the text. Edit by rating. Select the size. Font of letter. Select the texture. Go to the gallery. Select a color. Use the color of letter. Change the background color. Select another color. To back the color. Then select the 3D shape. The path 10. Select the expression. Right angle. Change the color. Duplicate the letter. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.